right, how we doing, everybody? How you feeling this morning? I am doing very well. Another beautiful day here in Dallas, Texas. Two trades I want to talk about today. Number one was on Sunday evening, and this one was just right here a couple minutes ago. A lot of choppiness going on today, really the entire time of the New York AM session. So discrepancies is all you're looking for. You can see how the gold was going higher and silver was obviously chopping much lower. So that's enough reason for me to keep an eye out. There was a couple SMT opportunities, didn't take any of them. None of them looked too clean to me. So from down here, you saw how here, decent SMT, you could hold it to the high, but I didn't believe in it going that high. We're on a bear cycle. So if you're going to SMT long, it's going to be from down here or a continuation or whatever here. You would not want to trade an SMT this high up into VWAP. I don't believe it's going to go that high. But anyway, the trade that took on Sunday, you're not going to be able to see anyway because we're on trade of it, all right? But Sunday evening was a trade that I took on right here. Yes, it's 1:30 a.m. Central. Don't worry about my sleep schedule. So right here, it was 1 to 5, just about, right? So bought in, stop loss was below the low, and then TP was up there. That's it. All right. I got chopped out the first time. I got in, and they hit my stop loss literally on the perfect bottom. Hit my stop loss. As it went back up, this candle opened. I was like, yeah, we're having some rejection. I enter in. Just barely missed my stop loss, and then went straight to the TP. All right, so I could have held for a lot longer. I didn't really feel the need to. I was just happy with the $1,000 I was going to make there anyway. Up here, could have gotten this high or whatever, gotten this this level here on options. But yeah, so I'm not too worried about it. I'm happy with the scout. 46 ticks. I'm happy with that. So that was that opportunity. SMT, right? You can see that. See from this high, this low, and whenever it happens on a new week opening gap, really any important area, you get a lot of phone going crazy over here. Whenever you get it on an SMT important area, you see the market will have a lot of energy. That's for sure. But this one here, I didn't even take this trade. This one was the one that I was looking at because I already traded Sunday evening. I did not want to. I say Sunday evening, Sunday early morning. The reason why I didn't want to take this trade live is because if I did, it would have doubled on this last one back here. I already won. There's no reason to maybe take a loser and make my win smaller. So I was like, you know what? I'm confident in this trade anyway. SMT on VWAP reclaimed it. So there's no real reason why I should want to get into this trade other than just greed, right? I just want to make more money. I'm happy with where I was at, and the money that I made yesterday was plenty. So, I was like, this is the reason why I need to take it. And I put up just above the VWAP, and lo and behold, it gave me the opportunity, or it gave me the win. But, that's 2-0, I suppose. But, in my mind, why are you looking to make more money? Do you actually need more money? Do you want more money? What is it really? And I was like, I already won today. There's no reason why we need to win and win and win and win and win. So I'm happy with that. So the one from today, the SMTs, we're not the greatest this morning, that's for sure. And then I have this high, it came back down, and we had a fair value gap fill here on gold, and we even got the nice fill there on silver. Couldn't get to the alignment balance. That would have been perfect. Yeah, no order blocks here. I don't think. I guess this one technically counts as both the order blocks. I guess maybe fair value gap right there, 50%. Goes straight down after, literally straight down. After we have these big old fair value gaps to get filled in, I didn't get to my computer until like almost 11:30. So I only got to my computer a couple minutes before I even traded. So got in and I was good opportunity, and then I took it and then I shorted and I made my $1,000 and I called it a day. So SMT. And I'm sorry, fair value gaps is not the only reason why I took this trade. My buddy has an indicator, and this is it, right? This little trading bot or whatever you want to call it. So right here, my entry was at 85. You saw on the last trade, and my take profit was $1,000. So if we were to do that at 85, your take profit being $1,000, down here at 780, $1,000. I just did one more tick so I can cover for fees and that. So one more tick, that's it. That's one contract, you know what I'm saying? And this is on silver, so you want to be careful. Silver loves to whiplash. So if you're going to be trading silver on any platform, whether it's your own live capital, somebody else's money, or if you're going to be working with your own private capital, whatever you're doing, silver loves to whiplash, and it will wick the heck out of you. So you got to be careful, right? So if you don't know what you're doing and you don't know what kind of market regime you're under right now or whatever, you gotta understand that silver loves to whiplash sometimes, and it's often random, right? Because it'll whiplash more aggressively than gold, which right here, it'll whiplash a lot more aggressively than gold would, and even up here, it wants to fill in the volume imbalances, right? So it will push all the way up there and then pull down immediately, and you see how gold did it. A lot of consolidation in that. This one just went straight there and straight back down. So you gotta understand, be a lot more cautious about silver, because you will get some pullbacks that are that'll hurt your feelings. So this one, SMT, you see how nice this is. I would have shorted gold right there if it was me, really. So what I would have done here is right there, stop loss near the highs, and then my TP would be near the VWAP, and that'd be my trade. So maybe I go for a little bit more just to keep it keep it realistic, I guess. It comes back down. Oh no, almost hit my TP. This is exactly why I say be conservative. This is exactly why. If you want to go to the full VWAP, whatever, this is what happens. If you want to be a little more conservative, hop on the options level right there. It gets you filled in. You don't have to worry about it anymore. Went straight there. All right, so that's pretty much it. If you have any questions, you have my Discord, Jacob ARD period. Hit me up, whatever questions, whatever that you have, and we'll go through it. But yeah, great day. Looking for a great day tomorrow.